Hey kids, welcome to another PE at Home challenge. For this video, we will be doing 3 challenges. All of them will be 1-minute challenges. We will be using our DIY hockey stick that we made. If you haven't seen the video, click the link on the description box below. How do you hold the hockey stick? So your dominant hand will be holding the end part of the stick, and your non-dominant hand will be holding the middle part of the stick. Don't make your hands close to each other. For our first activity, we will be needing the hockey stick and 2 markers. For this time, we will be using 2 tissue paper rolls. And also, we will be needing 1 hockey puck. We will be using a ball of sock that we made. For this activity, we will be putting the markers 8 steps away from each other. And we're going to move in circles and see how many rounds you can do in 1 minute. For the second activity, markers are still placed 8 steps away from each other, but our motion will be number 8. For our third activity, we will be standing 8 steps away from the box. The box will be our goal, so we will shoot as many as we can within 1 minute. Alright kids, so that's it for our 1-minute challenges. I hope that you can do great in all of the activities. Stay safe and enjoy.